Yeah, a lot of space to fill in over there, isn't there?
Yeah. rough side of the floor over there.
Yeah. Put the light on there so I can put a battery on it.
Okay. I think I'll here. That was quicker than last time.
Yeah.
We're a little faster. Okay. I spent the morning prepping the floor, and then I poured the stuff out. I've actually got 2 bags of this. I'm gonna do this, let it dry, and then do the second bag because I got a pretty bad floor in here. Open the door. I might go ahead and just mix up another one and pour it. Quick. Check one on there. Yeah, we need some water in the bucket. This time we'll do it over here. Okay then, that should do it. Now, what I want to do with anything. Okay. Okay then, now we'll let it sit. It's real easy to keep wanting to go back and respread it, but you know, before it gets too, I'm still recording, before it gets too hard, I need to leave it alone because it'll level itself out, and I need to walk away and let it do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna walk away and let it do its magic, if it has any magic to be done. Okay then. I might put another bag down on that at some point, but not today. There's a rock right there I would like to get out. Yeah, I might be able to pick it up later. I might be able to pick it up now. Let's get that rock out of there. Yeah. I'll be glued. I'll be glued in there good if I don't. Okay. Okay, I'm going to walk out of here. Let this settle where it will settle. And we'll see what it looks like after that. Okay, so let's put a little catch up on what I did this morning. Wound up putting 3 bags in here, but I've got a pretty good level floor. It'll look a lot more level when the color, when it's drying, it'll be a lot of different colors like this, but as it dries, it'll all be the same color, and it'll look a lot smoother.